In the realm of wholesome eating, the Mediterranean diet is a beacon of balance and flavor. Beyond its vibrant array of fruits, vegetables, and olive oil, this diet boasts an array of protein-rich options that have been cherished for generations. In this article, we unravel the tapestry of protein sources woven into the Mediterranean diet, guiding you through the culinary wonders that nourish both body and palate. The Mediterranean diet boasts diverse protein sources that contribute to its nutritional excellence. These include legumes like beans and lentils, seafood rich in omega-3s such as salmon and sardines, nuts and seeds, lean poultry like chicken, eggs, and protein-packed Greek yogurt. What are the best sources of protein in the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet, renowned for its heart-healthy benefits and culinary delights, is as much about balance as it is about flavor. While it significantly emphasizes plant-based foods, it also offers a diverse array of protein sources that contribute to its nutritional excellence. In this article, we delve into the best protein sources in the Mediterranean diet, showcasing the rich tapestry of options that keep health and taste in mind. Legumes, beans, lentils, and more. Legumes take center stage in the Mediterranean diet, offering protein and a generous dose of dietary fiber. Whether it's a hearty lentil soup, a chickpea-based hummus, or a bean-rich stew, these nutrient-packed legumes are both versatile and satisfying. Nutty goodness, nuts and seeds. From the crunch of almonds to the earthy richness of walnuts, nuts and seeds are treasured protein sources in Mediterranean cuisine. These bite-sized wonders make for convenient snacks, but they also elevate salads, yogurts, and even main dishes with a delightful texture and a dose of healthy fats. Seafood, a bounty of protein and omega-3s. The Mediterranean Sea itself offers an abundant supply of protein through its variety of fish. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide protein and deliver essential omega-3 fatty acids, supporting heart and brain health. Poultry, lean and flavorful. Lean poultry, such as chicken and turkey, finds its way into Mediterranean recipes with a burst of protein. Grilled, roasted, or poached, these lean meats contribute to a balanced diet without compromising on taste. Greek yogurt, creamy protein powerhouse. With its thick consistency and high protein content, Greek yogurt is a staple in Mediterranean diets. It serves as a satisfying breakfast, a base for dips and dressings, and a tangy addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Eggs, versatile protein boost. Eggs play a versatile role in Mediterranean cooking, finding their place in omelets, frittatas, and salads. Eggs are a convenient and nutritious option with their protein-packed yolks and whites. The adventurous additions, quinoa, tofu, and tempeh. While not traditional to the Mediterranean region, quinoa, tofu, and tempeh have earned their place through their protein prowess. Quinoa's complete protein profile and the versatility of tofu and tempeh lend a contemporary twist to Mediterranean-inspired dishes. The Mediterranean diet is a harmonious symphony of flavors, and its sources of protein are no exception. From the rich variety of legumes to the ocean's bountiful seafood and the creamy delight of Greek yogurt, this diet exemplifies how to savor protein-rich foods in ways that prioritize both health and pleasure. By incorporating these diverse sources of protein, you can partake in a nutritional journey that mirrors the Mediterranean's beauty and vitality.